kitchen. I'm not in Istanbul. I'm here in London, and I wanted to take you to Borough Market. Borough Market is one of the oldest and largest food markets in the world, and it's just an amazing place. You can buy your fresh produce, you can try out different cuisines, cheeses, you know, whatever comes to mind. So less talking, more eating. Come with me and we'll explore this market together. No, I'm talking to Thank you. Hello, hi. Can I have an oyster, please? Although I don't usually eat oysters at 10 a.m. in the morning, since I'm here, I thought I should give it a try. In Tokyo, the way they eat this is you get like really big oysters, and they don't do it in one go. They kind of bite them slowly, but here I'm just gonna really fresh. It was very good. It's time for Scotch eggs right now, and as you can see, it's an egg surrounded by sausage which has been deep fried. The egg is cooked to perfection. It just looks perfect to me right now. It's very crunchy because it has been deep fried and very soft inside. Perfect, thank you. Okay, I'll have the sandwich. Yeah, a little. And it's now time for the duck confit sandwich. This is just amazing. As you know, cooking something in confit means cooking it in its own fat for a long period of time. So this has been cooked in low heat for about 6-7 hours, and it's just amazing. You've got some caramelized onions here, which gives it a good sweetness, and the duck is so soft, and along with soft brioche bread, it's perfect. My favorite here today, definitely. Found a Turkish shop here at Borough Market. There are lots of nice Turkish delights, some baklava, some Turkish olives. So if you live in London, make sure to check this place out. Sea salt caramel fudge. Looks delicious. Thank you too. It's raining. Thank you. These donuts are so good. They're from the Bread Ahead donut shop, and they're filled with vanilla custard, which is really light, really airy. I'm really enjoying this right now. So I've had a great day at the Borough Market. I've tried many different food. The cheese sticks, the oysters. My favorite was definitely the duck confit sandwich. It was really good. and these donuts are pretty good as well. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I couldn't taste everything because there's a lot to taste, but you know, we tried to get a lot of footage on the stuff that I couldn't get a taste as well, so I can share it with you. And I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As you know, I share a lot of easy, delicious, wholesome Mediterranean recipes along with fun vlogs like this one. Hope to see you next time. Bye!